So specifically, in terms of convenience, the patient can either call or request an appointment by our website. The website is really interactive. It shows what availability our general dentist and our specialists have at certain given time. So the patient can, or potential patient, schedule the appointment, and when the patient come over, we have all the information ready whenever the patient provides that information. And so we're going to start with regular exam, with a series of x-rays, with dental cleaning. If we diagnose periodontal problem, that would be either advanced periodontal treatment or regular periodontal treatment, referral or not. We'll figure that out. And in terms of needs for any kind of surgical procedures, we will schedule the consultation appointment with our oral surgeon, who works in 3 of our 4 locations right here on staff. And you wouldn't need to actually go and deal with another practice, go call another staff, or wait until the spot there becomes available, because availability is the issue. And we know that whenever you try to refer the patient to some specialist, it's really a long wait, and it's uncomfortable, and sometimes the phone is not being picked up right away. And that's why if you're here and you need something in terms of specialty care, you can just schedule right away while you're in the office with our front desk, and do it right here, right on premises. I think that's a great plus in terms of convenience.